Center, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. In this third video of IUI, I will teach method of cement preparation. Two methods of cement preparation are widely used. One is swim up technique and other is double density. First of all, I will tell you about the swim up technique. Where to use swim up technique and where to use double density, that we will going to discuss in the lecture. So in video I am going to discuss only the practical points. For the swim up technique, first of all preparation, prior preparation is required for swim up. What is that? अगर कल सुबह आपको IUI करना है तो IUI करने के 3 से 4 घंटे पहले ये ट्यूब वार्मर आपको शुरू करना पड़ता है. ये 37 डिग्री आएगा तब इसमें टेस्ट ट्यूब में आपको ये हिपिस मीडिया जनरली फ्रीज में 2 से 20 डिग्री के बीच में रखना पड़ता है. तो ये फ्रीज में रहता है. आपको जब चाहिए तब आपको ये फ्लशिंग मीडिया जो सीमेंट IUI का मीडिया है वो लेना पड़ेगा और उसको 37 डिग्री पे वार्म होने के लिए एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 3 आवर्स प्रायर सीमेंट प्रिपरेशन आपको रखना पड़ेगा. सो हियर आई एम टेकिंग मीडिया 3 ml मीडिया of this and putting this at least 3 ml 3 to 4 ml you have to required for swim up technique. So it is a prerequisite कि 3 से 4 घंटे पहले आपको वो रखना पड़ेगा वार्म होने के लिए. Then when it is we had kept 4 hours before for temperature controlling. Then once you collected the sample, this is in wide mouthed jar, we will start the cement preparation procedure. What will you do? First of all, take another test tube, conical test tube. Then we will take whole cement sample into the test tube like this. Okay. Then if there is a 2 ml cement sample, then add 2 ml of media. For media you required to take newer pipette, transfer pipette. Now from this I am taking 2 ml media and transfer to the cement. So 2 ml cement and 2 ml media. Then going to mix, but at the time of mixing take care there is no bubbling should be there. Proper mixing is required. Once you properly mix cement and the media, you have to centrifuge. For centrifuge, I am putting into the centrifuge. For balance, you have to put another test tube of same amount, anything containing water to keep balance. Then centrifuge. 1200 RPM for 10 minutes. 1200 RPM for 12 minutes. So this is a centrifuge method. After 12 minutes of centrifugation, carry out test tube and remove the supernatant fluid. You will see a clump formation at the bottom of the conical test tube. So remove the supernatant fluid and clump should leave at the bottom of the test tube. See, you can see there is a clump formation at the bottom and this is a supernatant. You can see clump formation. And this is the supernatant fluid. Now I will going to discard this supernatant fluid. Remove this supernatant fluid, leave clump and then again add 0.5 to 0.7 ml media with over the clump without disturbing the clump. So your preparation is like this. Bottom is the clump and above is add fresh 0.5 to 0.7 ml cement prepared media, that is the flush media. Close the test tube and keep in the warmer for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes of incubation in the warmer, your sample is ready for IUI preparation. For IUI preparation, you need IUI catheter, that I will tell you in